In this video, we are going to see how we can add a Patreon link to your YouTube channel. So first of all, we head over to the YouTube studio. And from here on the left hand side, you will see this customization option. You click on that and you are under the profile. All you have to do is just scroll down, and where it says links, you can click on add a link. You upload the link title, Patreon link, let's say, and you add the URL, whatever is the URL associated with that. And obviously it should be a valid URL link, otherwise it won't be able to publish that. And after that you hit publish, and after that, whatever is the URL, you just go to the Patreon and copy the relevant URL link and paste it here. And after that you hit publish, and that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.